Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel DevOps World. Today I'm going to show you how can you enable your multi-factor authentication so that you will get two-step authentication at the time of logging your AWS management console. So guys, if you do not see my previous video how to create IAM user, I highly recommend to go and watch that video how to create your IAM user, because in this video I am going to use the same user which we have created at the last video. So that link also I have given in the description below guys, so please go through that video. So currently I am logged in with my IAM DevOps user which we have created at the last video. So we just go to IAM and click this IAM. So once you logged in with your first time, so you will get this IAM dashboard where already you can see that one security recommendation with red mark it's coming, and it is saying that add multi-factor authentication for your user. So here what exactly multi-factor authentication doing? Basically it's help to improve your security for account. Right now I have username and password, so if somebody will get to know what is my password of IAM user, he can directly go and applying this password he can log into my IAM user. And we know that the IAM user have administrator access or any kind of access. Once your account will compromise, it going to be washed time to time. So multi-factor authentication give you the two-step authentication where after providing the password you have to provide one 6-digit security code. After that only you are able to with your credential. So let's start and add multi-factor authentication. To add the multi-factor authentication, you click add multi-factor authentication. It will open a new window where we scroll down and we can see that multi-factor authentication. And here right now I do not have any multi-factor authentication mapped with this IAM user, so just click assign multi-factor authentication device. So guys, here three options which we have to choose. First, virtual multi-factor authentication device. Basically it belongs to one authenticator app. It might be Google, might be Microsoft, or any third-party authenticator app. But guys, I highly recommend go with Google and Microsoft authenticator highly rated app. Don't use any third-party authenticator app. Might be you can compromise with your multi-factor authentication. Second, U2F security key. So basically these comes with one proper device like YubiKey. That's the provider who provide this U2F device where you have to attach with your computer, and once you attach with computer, it's every time it automatically generate your device. You can set it one kind of device which you have to carry every time. And other is hardware multi-factor authentication. It is also one kind of hardware multi-factor authentication device. Once you lost this device, you are not able to log in with your credential. So right now we do not have these two, and we do not going to use this because these are going to use your highly security side, highly securitable organization where security needs to be taken by the security teams. So for us, we use this virtual multi-factor authentication device. Just click on this multi-factor authentication device and click on continue. So once you click the continue, it will give you one link where you go and check the compatibility application are there or not. And second, once you check what are the compatibility application are there your mobile, like I said Microsoft, Google, like that kind of authenticator app. So second step you have to come, you just click on show QR code, and after that you have to scan with your authenticator app. Either it will be Google Authenticator app or might be Microsoft Authenticator app. So for now I just click on this QR code. So let me just scan this QR code with my scanner. So currently guys, I am using Google Authenticator app because other services also I am using this Google Authenticator app. So based on your preference, you can go and choose any of your authenticator app. So I need to provide multi-factor authentication code which comes into your Google Authenticator, that is 023675 first, and wait, so that it will again, after some time, it will create again new authenticator code, and that you have to provide in the column of second token. So this is 943471. Once this all multi-factor code 1 2 has given, then assign multi-factor authenticator. So guys, if you see, you have successfully assigned virtual multi-factor authentication. So right now what happened, once you log out and again logged in with your IAM user, after providing the password, you have to provide the multi-factor authentication token as well. Right now guys, we are not getting any red mark security recommendation because we have already added your multi-factor authentication here. So now guys, I'm just going to sign out and I'll show you how again we logged in with multi-factor authentication. So I'll just click on sign in. I'll just give my alias name, and I'll just give my IAM username and the password which I have generated. Now guys, if you're able to see, we are not logged in on AWS management console yet, because this is the two-step authentication and we need to provide the second step, which is multi-factor authentication token. So guys, you go your Google Authenticator app or Microsoft Authenticator app and you just open it and you see your multi-factor authentication token which coming on your screen now, and just type that token before expiring and click on submit. So now guys, you can see that we are logged in again with AWS Management Console using IAM user and provided the multi-factor authentication token. So like this guys, you can enable your two-step authentication and make your account more secure from outside of the world. So for this today guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this video informative for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload the new informative video, you will get the notification on time and you able to see the video. For now guys, thank you.